Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Princess Anneliese's wedding outfit from Barbie as the princess and the Pauper in Trust the Empress. Okay guys, the outfit will look like this and I'm going to show you how I created this outfit in Trust the Empress. Okay, first of all guys, you can choose this hairstyle and you're going to color it with this color for the first selection and also for the second selection and toggle it to back. Okay, and the next one we're going to go to this area and then I'm going to choose this corset, this one, and then we're going to color it with the white color and also the pink color. Okay, for the first selection you're going to make it white. Alright, and for the second selection, make it this color. Wait, let me show you the color code. This one. Okay, this is for the color code, guys. And then the next one, you're going to color it white as well. Okay, and I'm going to make it white for the fourth selection or for the ribbon. Okay, like this, guys. And then you're going to change the material to glitter. Just make them all glitter. And sorry, sometimes my glitter is not working. Okay. Alright, it's done, and then I'm going to select this heel right here. Okay, and for the heel, I'm just going to make it white. Alright, make it white for the first selection and also for the second selection. Okay, the next one, guys, I'm going to go to the world culture clothing area and I'm going to select this dress and we're going to choose only sleeves and color the first selection white and the second selection you're going to color it with the same pink color. Okay, and then don't forget to change the material to glitter. Alright, and I'm going to select this dress and we're going to choose the skirt only and then we're going to make it all white and change the material to glitter. Alright, and the next one, guys, you can choose the skirt and again you're going to color it white and make it glitter. Alright, and then let's move to the next area. I'm going to go to this area and then select this flower and I'm going to change the toggle to one arm. Okay, and for the color of the flower, I'm going to select this color, this pink color for the leaves. Okay, and then you're going to make the texture glitter for all the selection. Okay guys, and go to the changing room and select this skirt and you're going to remove the layer and you're going to color it with the white color and make it glitter. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to go to the VIP room because we need some items from there. Okay, I'm just going to move to the VIP room and then I'm going to select this item. Okay, this one, guys, and then you're going to color it white and make it glitter if you want, and I'm going to put on this crown. Okay, for the color of the crown we're going to make it gold. Wait, I'm going to change the color. I'm going to go to the color wheel and then you can change it to this gold color. This is for the color code. Okay guys, and this is the final result. Okay, and that's all the way to dress like a Princess Anneliese in the Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video, guys.